Hello everyone, I hope you all are safe and doing well. So first of all, I would like to tell you I have rebranded Automation Studio to QAAutomator, and in this video I will show you how you can host QAAutomator into your environment. So before moving forward, there are some precondition for hosting the QAAutomator. You have to install Node.js web server for Chrome extension and URL rewrite. I have already shared all the link in installation guideline, as well as I will share all the links in this video description itself. Okay, so first you have to download all the code from GitHub and create any folder from anywhere in your system and copy all the content, downloaded content. So I have created QAAutomator folder and I have copied all the content here. So as you can see that here there are two folder, API Publish and Automation Studio Build. API Publish folder is responsible for backend process, like how your application communicated through the server, and the another is Automation Studio Build. So build is for the front end application, and there is another folder is Automation Resources. Actually this is the React JS directory path where your test script, your test data and reports will be saved. Okay, so now let me change the API Publish config file. Okay, so on config file you will get the two key, React.js directory and report publish URL. So React.js directory path will be Automation Studio Build under Automation Resources. So just copy the path and paste here. Okay, do not forget to add slash in the last. Okay, now the report publish URL. So let me open the web server for Chrome. Okay, so first we have to map the reports folder. So my report folder is inside the Automation Resources folder. So let me copy that, the path. Choose folder. Okay, so it will give you the IP as well, so just copy the IP. Okay, so even you if you click that, then it will give you the folder inside the reports folder. So just copy that and paste it here. Okay, so again do not forget to add slash in the last. Okay, so now this is ready. Okay, so on IIS let me create any site here. So okay, so physical path will be the API publish folder path, like this one. So select the physical path. Okay, API publish. Okay, so change the port, like, okay, just click on OK on the OK button and just browse it. Well, so API is hosted successfully. Now move to on the Automation Studio main site. So API is successfully hosted, and I have just note down the API path. Even you can save it like using the localhost or machine IP as well. So now I'm going to the folder Automation Studio Build. Under the build folder you will get the server address file. So just again open with Notepad++. Okay, again then you will get the API URL and report URL. So I have already copied the API URL and again the report URL. So report URL is same that is provided by the web server.com. So just save it. So now now we can create the QAAutomator site on IIS. So physical path will be the build file inside the Automation Studio build, this one. So let me copy. Okay, so this one. QAAutomator, Automation Studio build, and build this one. Okay. Assign any port. I am assigning 3001. Just click on the OK button and just browse the application. So now, as you can see that the QAAutomator is successfully hosted, and now it is ready for test script development, execution, and continuous integration as well as. So this application can be accessed by mobile as well, because my mobile is on the same network. So let me show you. So you can see that my mobile screen here. So as you can see that I'm accessing the QAAutomator application through my mobile as well. See. Okay. So thank you very much.